If you're not embarrassed about being vegan, then wear shirts like this and stop telling people you eat a plant-based diet. Anyone who doesn't eat a carnivore diet thinks that if they eat french fries, corn, or rice, they eat a plant-based diet. When I ask vegans why they hide their veganism, they say they don't want to be questioned, cornered, or criticized. People are jerks online, less so in person. At a PETA fur protest, a young guy was loudly laughing, mocking the passionate speaker. So I walked over to him and said, "What's so funny? I don't think animals being tortured and killed for their fur is funny." He stopped laughing, looked towards the ground, grabbed his girlfriend's hand, and walked away. If someone asks why you are vegan and you don't want to divulge your personal story to strangers, just say you care about all animals and you get your protein needs met from bean burritos, burrito bowls, and tofu stir fries. Stereotypes persist, even though they represent a small segment of reality. Veganism is not an eating disorder. We are not malnourished. We take vitamins too. We are not weirdos or freaks. We don't just eat rice, beans, or salad. Most of us are not snotty and do not think we are better than anyone else. We have most of our teeth, and whole carbs like bananas and baked potatoes don't make people fat and don't cause diabetes. Case in point, 80% of my calories come from fruit, veggies, and beans. Do I look fat to you? Wear your vegan hat or a vegan shirt or tattoo vegan symbolism all over your body, whatever suits your personality. Show the world that vegans look like everybody else. We come in all shapes and sizes. We're pretty and ugly, old and young, weak and muscular, slim and overweight. We're shy and friendly, aren't all hippies, don't hug trees, enjoy watching movies and having barbecues too. Imagine if every time a vegan went out in public wearing a shirt like this, how many vegans would be seen? Other people would notice and think, "What's a vegan?" Or perhaps, "This vegan thing is really gaining traction. Maybe I'll try meatless Mondays." Or, "I really should go vegan. I'm proud of myself for my choices, to say no to temptation, for not doing what everyone else is doing, and for standing up for what I believe in." I want strangers, friends, and family to be happy, not dying from cancer, diabetes, or autoimmune diseases. I want animals to live full, happy, and free lives. I want suffering to be minimized. That's why I showcase a vegan message as much as I can. If you're vegan, don't hide it. Flaunt it. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.